So last topic is development of monocot embryo, and afterwards little bit we have to just discuss what is you mean by parthenocarpy and apomixis. Okay, we will start with development of monocot embryo. Post fertilization, changes. Now first step is zygote, chalazion, micropyle. Now 2n. Okay, it will undergo mitotic division. Sorry. Now what it will form? Before this, in dicot, terminal and basal. In this, terminal, middle and basal. Terminal, okay, middle, terminal cell, middle cell and basal cell. What happened? Basal cell in this case is simply larges. Basal cell जो रहता है, it simply enlarges. Okay, and middle cell will divide in all direction. Main इसमें क्या है? Middle cell, and it will divide in all direction. And what it will form? It will form plumule, radicle, hypocotyle and suspensor. What will form middle cell? It will give rise to, it will first of all write on divides in all direction. In all direction and gives rise to plumule, radicle, picotyle, suspensor. It is first step. Write down. Now third, it is terminal, it is middle, and it is basal. Next, what will it form? First, second, third. It is a sheet like structure. Here it is sheet. Okay, this part is known as coryza. So radicle covered with sheet. And here it is also a sheet like structure, a thin sheet like structure, which is known as coleoptile. What is coleoptile? Same, it is plumule which is covered with sheet. Okay, plumule covered with sheet. And this is epicotyle. This is hypocotyle. And this part cotyledonary nodes. And this is cotyledon. But it's a reduced cotyledon which is known as scutellum. What is scutellum? It is actually a reduced cotyledon. Okay, it's somewhat like a thin papery like structure which is found in grass. ठीक है, रिड्यूस कॉटिलिडन होता है. स्क्यूटेलम क्या एक तरह से कहेंगे हम लोग, थिन पेपरी कॉटिलिडन. इसका क्या फंक्शन होता है स्क्यूटेलम का? एक्चुअली कॉटिलिडन का फंक्शन होता है न्यूट्रिशन न्यूट्रिशन प्रोवाइड करना, मतलब फूड स्टोरेज होता है. बट इस केस में ये थिन पेपरी लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है, तो क्या कैसे वो फूड प्रोवाइड करेगा न्यूट्रिशन? इट ट्रांसलोकेट न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम एंडोस्पर्म टू द ग्रोइंग एम्ब्रियो. क्या करता है? इट हेल्प्स इन ट्रांसलोकेशन ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम एम्ब्रियो. ठीक है, न्यूट्रिएंट्स को ट्रांसलोकेट करता है एंडोस्पर्म से जब एम्ब्रियो जर्मिनेट होता है. ठीक है, तो इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट मोनोकॉट cotyledon, which is here in case it is reduced form known as scutellum. It is cotyledonary nodes. It is epicotyle. In both sides the sheet like structure is present. It is coryza and it is coleoptile. It is epicotyle and this part is hypocotyle. Okay, cotyledonary nodes को पूरा ऐसे. So this diagram is very important and scutellum is mainly found in example is grass. Okay.